So I just wanted to share a trick with you guys. If you're trying to change an anode rod and you have a cap that will not let the socket in, I recommend using a heat gun to loosen up the plastic so you can fit your socket in and get the anode rod out of a water heater. Typically you see these on the Rheems. This one is a 2016 Performance. So anything 2016 and newer, they put these caps on here, and the caps don't let the socket fit. I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. So you just go ahead and put the heat gun right here. Get that cap nice and loose. Sometimes you can pull the whole cap out if you want. Sometimes you can make room for the socket to get it in there. But otherwise it's impossible to get these caps off. They've got some kind of clips on them that prevent that. Should be almost ready. I think I've got it on the highest setting. Probably use a blow dryer if you don't have a heat gun. So let's go ahead and test that out. Give it a couple more seconds here. Oh, had it on the lowest setting. All right. Check this out. All of a sudden, she fits in there. There for the camera angles. I'm holding my phone. Kind of widen it out a little bit. All right, make a little room. And then I usually use a mallet. Line it up, right? Line it up. And use a mallet to tap it in. Anyway, hope that helps somebody out. Trying to get to the anode rod on a Rheem water heater. So, yeah, you got this problem, right? Won't fit in there. Conveniently, the cap is slightly smaller than the socket. All right, can't get that sucker in there. So use a heat gun to loosen up the plastic. I'll show you what that's like. That's a good one right there.